Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to install and set up Express.js with a very basic and hello world example. So let's begin. Before we start, you have to make sure that in your root directory of your project, the Node.js should has been set up already. For example, it should have index.js file already, and you should have package.json file as well. So after that is done, uh, just open the Express.js website, and here you can open this. Actually, go back and click on the Hello World. Here you have the code, but let's open another tab and open this. And in this homepage of Express.js, you can see everything you have to do. You just have to run this command and you're ready to go. So let's do that. Let's run this npm command and this will install the Express.js as your dependency. So, so let's type it npm install express and you have to pass a save flag so that you could save it in your dependencies of this project. Let's press enter and see. All right, now you can see that in the dependencies, dependency object is created, and we can see the express dependency is added in this package.json file. Now we are ready to use it, and now we will see how we can use it in the Hello World page. Just copy and paste this code. We want to paste this code in the index.js. Paste it here. Let me zoom it a little bit and to show you. So here we are importing the Express.js library and we are creating the app in this line, and now we are setting the port where you want to start the server of your Express.js server. And here uh, we are creating a route where you want to access your app. So here we have different options with the app. In the app, you can I there are a lot of functions there. For example, there is get, there is post, there is patch. So all functions for the REST API are available there. At this time, we are not going to any advanced topic. We are just talking about the basic Hello World app. For that, you just need to create a get route, that is main route, the default route. So that means whenever someone open your app without passing any extra path in the URL, it will by default open this call this function. And once it call this function, it will send this text to the client side. So let's see how this works. To run the index.js file, uh, I have created a script in the package.json that is start that starts the index.js file. For that, I just need to run npm run start script. This will start the index.js file. And here, after running that command, you can see that it is saying that example app listening at localhost 3000 port. So this is the port that you are passing from through this variable. You can change this port. This is not fixed. You can change to 3001 or anything like that. Let's see if that works. You can see that now it is showing 3001. Uh, so, all right, now it's time to check this server in the browser to see if this is working or not. Let's copy it and open the Chrome and paste it. Okay, you can see that Hello World is working. Let's make it a little bit more interesting. For example, instead of this boring text, let's add some HTML. I am going to add a heading and add welcome to my website. So this would be my main heading, and below that I want to add a paragraph. This is a hello world app. All right, now I want to add a container around this content, and I want to add some inline styles for now. Text, align, center, and next I want to add padding top 40 pixels. Now let me stop it and start it again. Okay, now you can see that my application is working perfectly fine. It is loading the latest content that I just have added. So this is the basic of the Node.js Express.js app. So that's all I wanted to show in this short video. Thank you for watching my video. Hope to see you later in next videos. Bye.